Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Peaks board game. To begin, place the main game board in the center of your playing area. Each player then receives 5 mountain cards from the shuffled deck. You will also get 1 climber pawn, which you place on the designated base camp space. This exciting game is perfect for 2 to 4 players, providing a great experience for friends and family. During your turn, you will roll the 2 custom dice. The numbers rolled indicate how many spaces you can move your climber pawn. You can use all movement points for 1 pawn, or you can split them between 2 different pawns if you have more than 1 on the board. When your pawn lands exactly on a summit space, you can claim one of your mountain cards, bringing you closer to victory. Points are primarily scored by successfully claiming mountain cards. Each card you claim has a specific point value, usually between 1 and 5 points, which contributes to your final score. Additionally, you can earn bonus points by collecting sets of certain mountain types, so keep an eye out for those combinations. The game reaches its conclusion as soon as any player claims their 5th mountain card. To win Peaks, simply be the player who has accumulated the highest total score from all their claimed mountain cards. If there happens to be a tie in scores, the player with the most unused movement points at the end of the game will be declared the winner. A good strategy is to prioritize claiming those higher value mountain cards and actively work towards completing bonus sets. Have fun conquering the peaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.